Fits full-size crib mattress, bedding, and pillow not included. Strong and sturdy wood construction. Transitional style design low to the ground for easy access for your child. Guardrails included to keep child safe. Easy assembly tested for lead and other toxic elements to meet or exceed government and ASTM safety standards. JPMA certified to meet or exceed all safety standards set by the CPSC and ASTM Assembled dimensions, 55.25-inch width by 30-inch DX 26.5-inch height. Top reviews from the United States. Get it. My toddler, 16 meters, loves this bed. I assembled it myself during his morning nap time. I think I did end up needing a screwdriver, but I'm not sure if it was required. It's the perfect height for him to get in/out safely. The gray is as pictured. It's very sturdy and overall a great value. I do recommend.